Today we're doing a special brew with Mike Roberts from Coastal Carolina University. Mike's been a supporter of ours since we opened a little over a year ago, and he's been a home brewer as a hobby for a long time.
I brought some of my samples by. There was one particular beer that the brewmaster, Patrick, liked a lot, so we're making that one today. I call it almost autumn ale.
It's a pale ale brewed with coriander and whole oranges. Mike's homebrew version, it was nice, malty, but still light, drinkable, had that great spice component, and we're going to try to mimic some of those same characters here on our pilot system, which makes about 31 gallons of beer at a time. The alcohol target is right at 5%, so it's going to be nice and drinkable. It's going to have a little bit of a hop backbone, but nothing too aggressive on the bitterness level. At the end of the day, it's a pilot, it's a trial, and we'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty optimistic it's going to be a good product.
It's neat to see how a recipe that was designed for homebrew is scaled up for something like this. This will be an opportunity for everyone in the Grand Strand to enjoy my beer. A large number of coastal students work here.
And I just think it brings a lot of vitality here to our brew house.
There's some students in the COBE program, in the College of Business, who worked early on helping develop the business plan and the focus toward the business side. And then also Patrick, even though he is not a coastal grad, is a marine scientist.
I myself come from a science background, and I incorporate a lot of what I've learned over the years into making our beer the best product that we can make it. Beer has been inspiring science for a long time, and science has been inspiring brewing for a long time as well.
The neat thing about beer brewing is that it's applied microbiology. It's taking all those things you may have learned in a very sort of dry, formal environment and being able to do something fun. Over the decades, beer, which is a very interesting, tasty, complex beverage, got sort of homogenized. And I think what we're seeing now is a comeback of sort of small, focused beers that are designed to appeal to specific tastes. It's a good thing, because it's a beverage that's been part of human society for thousands of years. There are lots of opportunities given the explosion of interest in craft brewing. One of the things I'm interested in is simply seeing my name in lights up on the board. People will come and say, oh, that's Dean Roberts' beer. Give me a pint.